All right, Scott MacFarlane, let's bring you back in here. The Trump legal team asked Judge Chutkan to begin legal proceedings against special counsel Jack Smith. They say Jack Smith was unlawfully appointed to his position. Walk us through what's happening here.
Yeah, they're trying to file this motion to get the case dismissed. They tried this in Florida as well successfully, arguing that the special counsel is not lawfully funded or lawfully appointed to his position. There has not been a Supreme Court ruling as such, but in one of the recent cases, Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas said there may be an argument that because the special counsel was not confirmed by the Senate to a different federal position, there may be questions about the legitimacy of him holding this office. There's no indication the judge in this case has been considering this issue or will take up this matter promptly or give Trump the ability to file this dismissal motion, but it shows how the Trump defense team continues to try to chip away at this Washington, D.C. criminal case, which is still standing, unlike the Florida case, which was dismissed by Judge Eileen Cannon in mid-July.
And while we have you, Scott, I want to talk about this. President Biden set to deliver a formal apology over the mistreatment of Native Americans forced to attend those Indian boarding school systems. What can we expect out of this apology today?
Little piece of history in Arizona as the president visits and issues a formal apology on behalf of the federal government for the nearly 150 years of neglect and abuse that occurred at boarding schools operated by the federal government that served indigenous people, also Native Hawaiians and Native Alaskans. An inspector report from the U.S. Department of Interior found there were hundreds of deaths and there was widespread negligence and abuse at those schools, beginning in the early 1800s. The president said this apology should have been issued long ago. It will be issued in person by President Biden today in Arizona.
Yeah, and we know those boarding schools are linked to some generational trauma that so many of the tribes have been dealing with for generations now. Scott MacFarlane from Washington, thank you so much.